Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Hailey here from Hailey Auto Garage. Welcome back. If you've been having some engine issues, maybe stalling, rough performance, or a hard time starting, your crankshaft position sensor could be the culprit. In today's episode, we're going to go over the 7 most common symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor. So let's jump right in. What is a crankshaft position sensor? Alright, so what is this sensor? The crankshaft position sensor is a little part that plays a big role in how your engine runs. It tracks the position and speed of the crankshaft, and it sends that info to the engine control unit, the ECU. The ECU uses that data to decide when to fire the spark plugs and inject fuel. If the sensor isn't working right, your engine can run into some big problems. Where is the crankshaft sensor located? Now, you might be wondering, where is this sensor located? Typically, it's found near the crankshaft or timing gear. It's usually mounted on the engine block or behind the crankshaft pulley. Not too hard to find, but you might need to get your hands dirty to check it out. 7 symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor. Now let's dive into those 7 symptoms that tell you the crankshaft position sensor might be failing. Symptom 1, engine stalling. First up, engine stalling. If your car suddenly stalls while driving, especially when you're at a stop or idling, that's a big one. The crankshaft sensor helps the engine maintain proper timing. If it's not working, your car can just shut off randomly. That's not only annoying but dangerous too. Symptom 2, difficulty starting the engine. Next, if you're having trouble starting your car, that's another sign. If the sensor's gone bad, the ECU doesn't get the right signal to start the engine. So, you might be cranking the ignition over and over but not going anywhere. Symptom 3, check engine light. Now, the check engine light. If that light pops on, there's a chance it's your crankshaft sensor. The car's computer will throw codes like P0335 or P0336 if it detects a problem. Definitely don't ignore the light, it's your car's way of telling you something's up. Symptom 4, irregular RPMs. Another one is irregular RPMs. Have you noticed your RPMs jumping around or even staying at 0 while the engine's running? That means the crankshaft sensor isn't sending the right info to the ECU, causing the engine speed to fluctuate. Not good. Symptom 5, poor engine performance. Then, there's poor engine performance. If your car feels sluggish, doesn't accelerate properly, or lacks power, it's a clear sign. Without a working crankshaft sensor, the ECU can't adjust the timing of fuel and spark, so your engine just doesn't run efficiently. Symptom 6, engine misfires or vibrations. If you're feeling misfires or vibrations, that's another red flag. When the crankshaft sensor goes bad, it messes with the engine's timing, causing misfires or rough idling. You might notice the car shaking or sputtering, especially when you're at a stop or trying to accelerate. Symptom 7, poor fuel efficiency. A bad crankshaft sensor can cause your engine to burn more fuel than usual because the timing is off. If you're seeing your gas gauge drop faster than normal, it could be due to a faulty sensor. So, those are the 7 main symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor. If you notice any of these, it's definitely time to get it checked out before things get worse. Replacing the sensor is a relatively simple fix that can save you from bigger, more expensive engine problems down the road. Thanks for tuning in today. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Hailey Auto Garage. And don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any future tips.